Turn it down.
Hello?
Hello?
Yes?
Calling about the ad you got there on, Craig's got it on his list there.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, the space heater.
A space heater?
Yeah, how'd you get that?
Huh?
How'd you get a space heater?
This is a regular heater now, tall heater.
It's a space heater though, that's awesome.
Yeah, I guess that's what it's called. It's my daughter's.
She going to space to get it herself, or did it just fall right on her head? Huh?
Sir, are you trying to be funny?
No, I'm saying you got it. The natural gas space heater.
Yeah?
It burns natural gas.
Yeah.
The heater from space. That's amazing. I'd like to add that to my collection. Put it right next to E.T. and Marilyn Monroe.
And Marilyn Monroe.